It has been broadcast all over the news. Mass shootings, lone gunmen, gunfire in our schools, and an overall increase in gun violence. Sadly, this has become the norm in today's society. Was it the Founding Fathers' intent that all individuals have the right to bear arms? The Bible tells us that thou shalt not kill, and the Constitution is based or founded on the biblical principles and under divine law. All individuals have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Unfortunately, the possession of guns have become out of control. Every day, people are losing their lives. Our children are scared to go to school. The Second Amendment really needs to be reevaluated to determine the original intent of the Founding Fathers in regards to the Constitution. The Second Amendment states, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. But does that mean all people? The key word here is militia. As we have learned, the Founding Fathers used specific words. They were mostly lawyers, and they used specific words and legal terminology so that future reviewers would have an understanding of the original intent. The Constitution is not a fluid document. It must be carefully reviewed by studying the context, historical background, the setting, and any other factor that may have influenced the creation of this document. Unfortunately, judges often rely on their own philosophy, public opinion, or other factors as a principle for their rulings. Furthermore, the judicial system is often pressured regarding the changing world that we live in and the current social issues. This is known as judicial activism, which is or could be a very dangerous practice. This proposal aims to re-examine the Second Amendment to determine if recent rulings, such as the case of District of Columbia versus Heller, were constitutional. These cases resulted in significant changes in who could be allowed to possess guns. Because of the judge's ruling in this case, states began changing their current laws regarding guns and the possessions of guns. Was this ruling consistent with the Founding Fathers' original intent? In regards to the Second Amendment, research is definitely needed. We need to discover what the Constitution really intended to do regarding this policy. Our society is falling prey to gun violence. So we need to examine the Constitution to learn the Founding Fathers' intent and take meaningful action to prevent more lives from being lost. My name is Donna Burgess, and I thank you for your attention.